Suponic game world. Online gaming has moved on from a source of entertainment and relaxation to a full-time career, where professional gamers give themselves a chance to earn a six-figure income. Hashtag influencer, hashtag ambassador for gaming equipment, or trending online games. Such has been the growth of the gaming industry and gamers over the time that even mainstream media and critics have considered a reassessment of the industry. In the past, gaming industry was described as lazy and unsocial. It was meant for people who just sat in the corner of a dark room with huge screens and 24/7 just eat and play with no other work. But with the advent of mini gaming platforms, game streaming platforms, and social media, of course, this became a full-time profession, and at the moment is a $100 billion plus industry on your planet. The best platform at the moment where you can play games and save your future building wealth is Suponic. You may be a great gamer in your own genre, but if nobody has any idea about you, then it's just some random stuff you're doing and the world has enough stuff. Bring yourselves and your game to the limelight to be able to monetize your talent with SGC, your own cryptocurrency. What we have in Suponic is a mission to create 3 million jobs, turning gaming into full-time employment. It is not an option, but an imperative during these perilous times. Do you want to be a part of that achievement? There is something we can't talk about in 2020, so just remember one thing. This is virtual. On the other side is real. You are on the other side. Be prepared.